Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. This video is very important for the students from class 6 to class 12th. If you know any student from class 6 to class 12th, then also share this video with them. So let's start our video. Indian Talent Olympiad and E-Cell of IIT Bombay Eureka Junior is presenting National Entrepreneurship Olympiad. Before applying this Olympiad, you should know about this Olympiad. So first of all, talking about the concept of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship refers to the concept of developing and managing a business venture along with any of its uncertainties in order to gain profit in the corporate world. In simple language, entrepreneurship is the interest to start a new business. Now talking about what is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who originates a new business, bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. The process of setting up a business is known as entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and business or procedures. And finally, talking about what is National Entrepreneurship Olympiad. The National Entrepreneurship Olympiad is an initiative of E-Cell IIT Bombay aimed at nurturing young minds on the path to starting up. Through a Pan-India Olympiad, you stand to learn the nitty-gritty of entrepreneurship and compete with some of the best minds in the world. NEO presents an opportunity to learn about the business world and apply the knowledge gained over a wide spectrum of question formats. Now talking about the eligibility of that Olympiad. Students from class 6 to class 12th may appear in the E-Cell IIT Bombay Eureka Junior organized National Entrepreneurship Olympiad for free of charge. Timeline: registration dates 14 October 2021 to 5 November 2021. Exam date 31st of October 2021. Result declaration 14 November 2021. To register for this Olympiad, I had provided the link in the description area. Click on that link and you will be redirected to a new page where you have to complete your registration. For registration, you have to fill first of all your first name, then your last name, then your personal email ID, then your personal contact number, then your parents' contact number, then your school name in which you are currently studying, then state of your school in which state your school is situated. And then you can select your class in which class you are studying currently. Class 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th. And then finally submit your application form. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.